32 साल के आईटी प्रोफेशनल वेंकटेश बेंगलुरु में हिंदुस्तान के दूसरे शख्स हैं जिनका दूसरी मर्तबा कामयाब हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट किया गया है। वेंकटेश का सफ़र 2016 में उस वक्त शुरू हुआ जब दिल की शदीद तकलीफ़ की वजह से उनका पहली बार हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट किया गया। लेकिन वेंकटेश की तकलीफ़ें यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं हुई। सेहतयाब होने के बाद वेंकटेश 2021 में कार्डियक एलोग्राफ्ट वैस्कुलोपैथी से एक बार फिर दिल के मरीज़ हो गए। बेंगलुरु के एक सरकर्दा अस्पताल के डॉक्टरों ने बिलाखिर दूसरी हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जरी का फैसला किया। वेंकटेश के ब्लड ग्रुप से मैचिंग डोनर मिलने के बाद दिसंबर 2023 में ये इंतहाई पेचीदा सर्जरी की गई जो तकरीबन 10 घंटे तक चली। पिछले ट्रांसप्लांट शुदा दिल को हटाना चैलेंज से कम नहीं था, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स की अनथक कोशिश में वेंकटेश की अहलिया रूपा की दुआएं भी शामिल थीं।
With some difficulties there. Mentally, we are supported on my family, and my father is he is also very well supported. And I get more support from doctor sides also. Doctors are when I get the second transplant in my last child, they are giving to them more support. In doctors and surgeons, every one of the staff. Second, it is some it will take them some pain is there. It will take them more 10 to 15 days more than the first transplant. I'm suggested for them go for the anyone required to the transplantation. Definitely they will go for the transplantation with family support, and after once they done the transplantation, they will maintain the on diet and everything. It will increase the span of the life.
वेंकटेश की सेहतयाबी में रूपा का पुख्ता यकीन और मोहब्बत का करिश्मा था, और ये तिब्बी कारनामा जदीद तिब्बी इलाज में यकीनन एक माइलस्टोन की हैसियत रखता है।
We know each other since very long, and so he was fine when we were in Laon or something. So later he fell sick, but again, so I cannot left him when he is in a situation where he need my support. So obviously I have to support him. I have supported in the same way. So I have given my 100% support and the love what he needs to recover fast. And yeah, it's continuing and it will continue.
He was doing well for a very long time, almost like 8 years. So the power of force behind him is his wife and his father. They really helped. Even he was just 24 years when he did first transplant, and she was also I think 24 years. So she took a lot of interest to, even because she was not married that time. So I used to see her, to stay in the ward and take care of him. And a lot of commitment from her side. I'm telling you, she is one of the great lady who supported him like anything. So that is a journey they both started, and post transplant they are very regular. So, but unfortunately, after 8 years of transplant, his heart started failing because of the disease of the blood vessels. We call it as vasculopathy. That is one of the common cause of failing heart after transplant, after 5 or 6 years of transplant. So that what happened among our 70 odd patients we have done transplant. This is the first person who developed this complication. So followed by that, we tried to manage him, postpone his retransplant for almost like 1.5 years. So after that we could not manage because both of his heart was failed, and we had to post him for retransplant. So in 2023 December, that is around exactly around 6 months back, so 2-3 months before, when I told the family that he needs retransplant, they agreed, and with lot of trust with us because we already managed 8 years, and they were able to manage everything, the emotions, everything they were able to manage, and we were able to do transplant in 2023 December. So now 6 months post transplant. We didn't want to expose him early. That's the reason we took almost 6 months for him to settle down completely, then bring him here. So he's doing well. He probably do long term, have a good health. and he went through little complication post-transplant, like bleeding issues and rejection, because we have already done one transplant, and his immunity and the transplanted heart, and it's a second heart. So went through a lot of challenges. We were able to overcome these challenges, and now we have done biopsy, he's fine, there's no rejections, he's doing well. So this is the story of him. So it's a second chance for him to live longer, and we are trying to educate people that when the heart is failing, there is not an end of life. There is a chance for transplant, and if something happens over time, there is a second chance also. So this is a message should go for everybody and those who are really suffering from end-stage heart disease.